The Law of Attraction Simplified. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Law of Attraction and giving you a very simple process to follow to actually activate it, to use it in the greatest way possible. Before we do so, make sure you throw a like on the video, and as you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content. And also, if you are a teacher, or a coach, or you want to do something where you're serving the world and actually teaching manifestation, coaching manifestation, personal development, life coaching, or anything like that, make sure you check out our certification. We help you actually build a business with the actual coaching package and program. So make sure you click in the description below. There's a link to apply for our certification. You'll be able to book a call with our team to talk about it more. And then also be able to access a video that will give you a lot more details on what our certification is all about. It is the most rewarding thing on the planet. Even if you're already an existing coach, this is going to help you 10x everything you're doing. If you're not yet a coach but have that calling to possibly do so, this is it for you. It's going to be an ultimate experience for you. All right, let's talk about the Law of Attraction Simplified. Okay, the Law of Attraction. We want to understand it's like any other law in this world. There are different types of laws: spiritual laws, mental laws, physical laws. Okay, let's do an example of a physical law. Physical law is law of gravity. Okay, there's many different physical laws, right? But it's working all the time. It's basically like a rule book for how the earth and human world works. Okay, so one of those is I have a holiday candle here. Okay, and if I drop this, it's going to go down. Okay, that's the law of gravity. We already know that. It's a physical law, but it's a rule, if you will. It's like a programmed rule in our earth that any time anything is lifted or moved or anything like that, it's going to follow the law. Now, as an engineer previously to doing all my entrepreneurial and coaching work and mentorship work and everything I'm doing, okay, but engineering had all laws and rules, electrical rules, aerodynamic rules, right? All of these different things are laws and rules governing how things work on our planet. They're consistent, or consistently happening all the time, okay? Now, same thing goes with any of the spiritual and mental laws: law of attraction, law of rhythm, law of gender, law of vibration. All these different things are what we call laws of the universe, okay? It's just a coined term, okay? Basically what it is are rules on how our mental and spiritual realms work within this physical world, okay? To simplify that, it just shows you how your mind works and how your life is being actually created moment to moment, okay? Do you believe that? Do you believe your mind is creating a world around you? And if so, do you feel that you have the ability to change it, manipulate it, modify it, become better? I hope you do, and I'm sure that you do. That's why you're here in listening into this video, right? Really what the Law of Attraction is stating, if you will, is energies attract with energies, okay? Now, a coined term, it's a phrase that it's very cliche now in the personal development industry, that Law of Attraction Simplified is like attracts like, okay? That is simplified, but there's a lot more to it than that, and that's what we're going to be talking about as well, okay? What we want to understand is thoughts are an energy. And you can really believe into that by saying, if you cut me open right now, can you see a thought? Can you see an emotion? You really can't, right? You can't see a thought, you can't see an emotion. So there's something else going on there, right? And it's an energy format of some point, if you will, right? Emotions in the body are chemical processes, right? There's different things going on that we can't see with our physical eyes. But even though we can't see with my physical eyes, it doesn't mean it's not happening or it's not true, right? So in our mind, since it's a form of energy, if you will, nobody really knows what the mind is, but we can do an example of it's an energy form, and our thoughts are energy form, cosmic waves, if you will, okay? Now these energy forms, okay, actually are in a world that we cannot see. It's like when you have Wi-Fi, or when you turn on your TV, when you turn on a radio. How do you know it's working, right? It's like you can't see what's going on. You can't see radio waves. You can't see microwaves. You can't see radiation, right? Unless you had certain instruments to pick that up. So the same thing is going with our thoughts, okay? Now we have a couple of different layers of law of attraction. First one is thought, okay? Like thoughts attract like thoughts. Okay, we'll put in that simplified phrase because it does work. Again, it's just more complicated than that. Once you start thinking more wealthy thoughts, for example, you're going to start to attract more wealthy thinking unconsciously. Okay, so if I'm starting to think better, I'm starting to attract thoughts in the next few moments, next few minutes that are like better thoughts, if you will. If I'm always complaining and always finding the bad, I'm going to unconsciously, based on my momentum, based on my programming, starting to find more things that aren't working that are bad, right? So when you start to activate the law of attraction in your favor for what you desire, first thing you're going to notice is your thoughts change. Second level is your feelings change, okay? So like feelings attract like feelings. So if you're generally in that upstate feeling, if you will, you're going to attract more and more of that based on your momentum and where you're pre-programmed to be as well, okay? But you're going to attract that in. Third layer is action and behavior. You're going to actually formulate similar actions to what you did yesterday based on today's feelings and thoughts. And the fourth layer is the one that you're after most likely, and that's results. You attract in results you're in harmony with, okay? So this law of attraction thing isn't so simple as say, just think about what you want and it's going to happen. Because most people want a magical process to generate lots of money, to generate, the soulmate, the dream home, the dream car, whatever it is. They want a magical process. And that's what it seems like. Law of attraction is this mysterious, crazy force that somebody discovered, a certain amount of time ago, and now we're using it, right? That's not really what's happening here. Well, law of attraction has been around forever. It's always happening all the time. Again, it's whether you're activating it towards your favor, things you want, or things you don't want, right, in this experience. So if you want to manifest more things that you do want, what you want to understand is you want to start taking images in your imagination, and you want to start picturing what you want, but you in possession of it, okay? And when you do so and you feel it like it's yours already, this energy, this feeling is going to actually go into your subconscious mind, your unconscious mind. And as you do so, you're going to retrain your programming, and that outcome is going to change because you're in a different vibration, okay? And the bridge of happenings or bridge of events are going to unfold between now and you actually realizing your physical thing that you want. Things are going to be attracted, circumstances, coincidences, all these different things, serendipitous things to allow you to get that thing, okay? So when we talk about law of attraction simplified, that's really what it is. Entertaining thoughts and feelings of what you do desire, feeling the possession of what you want today, talking better about yourself in inner conversations and inner chatter, so that your thoughts, feelings, actions, and results start to attract to you in the desirable way that you want, okay? And again, law of attraction is always happening. You can't really say that law of attraction is not working for you. It is. We use these terms to describe it. A more accurate phrase is, law of attraction is working for me, but I'm not getting the things I desire as much as I want to. Or, it's working for me and I am getting the results I desire. Okay, see what's going on there? So law of attraction simplified really means that it's always working out for me, but if I entertain more thoughts and images of what I do want, that will start to come into my life. Okay, very, very important. Remember also, and I'm saying and repeating some things here, but that's good learning for you. Law of attraction, manifestation, all these things, they're not magic. It's not magic dust you throw in the air and you're going to turn this candle I have right in front of me, you're going to turn this candle into a water bottle. Okay? It's not magic. It's not these things you see in sci-fi movies. Okay? Science, crazy movies or something like that, fantasy movies. What's really going on here is you're just energetically activating something, and when you open your eyes after visualization, don't expect your world to change. It's not changed. Okay, you're just starting to be in energetic harmony with something brand new. And it's going to take time to come into your life. It may take an hour, okay? It may take 5 days, it may take 5 weeks. Sometimes it takes a few years, okay? Because every single time you activate what you want, there's a series of events that have to unfold, and you have to stay in the faith while it's unfolding. Okay, so really important. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if this was helpful to you, go ahead and throw a number 1 into the comment box, or a yes. This was helpful to me in the comment box. We'll be doing similar like videos as well as we move forward to make sure you really got everything you need around manifestation, law of attraction, all these big concepts boiled down into the simplest, easiest way so you can bring in more predictable and consistent results into your life. And also remember, if you want to start coaching this, you want to be a teacher of personal development and law of attraction, manifestation, you want to help people like a life coach or a personal development coach, motivational coach, anything like that, check out our certification. It's going to be your golden ticket to get the life that you dream of, the life that's purposeful, exciting, fulfilling, and ultimately also a wealthy, freedom-based life that allows you to feel great about what you do on a daily basis and excited for the work you have in front of you. Okay, check down in the description below. There's an application, and then again you can do a call with my team and then also get more details on what actually the certification is. All right,